So you're about to buy some Bitcoin, but how do you really know you're not overpaying? You look at the charts and it's just a chaotic mess of flashing numbers changing from red to green every single second. You want to avoid the common mistake of buying at the peak and seeing your investment lose value. Now, what if I told you there's a free tool that cuts through right all through the noise? A tool that gives you a real-time, fair price estimate so you can buy cryptocurrencies with confidence. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to take the guesswork out of crypto for good. In the crypto market, one of the most common concerns for experienced and beginner crypto traders is the risk of overpaying or getting a bad deal. So given the market's volatility, many are left wondering when is the best time to invest in digital currencies. Now, often crypto prices can appear reasonable at one moment only to suddenly rise or to drop. And at the same time, you don't want to miss out on major crypto price shifts from fear of missing out. So when you first open a crypto exchange, you're going to be met with a flood of information. Order books, depth charts, candlestick patterns. It can feel like most crypto platforms are built for seasoned traders rather than someone like you or me who just simply wants to make a purchase. Enter trusted crypto price calculators. Now, the Paybis Calculator is a free and beginner-friendly tool designed to make checking crypto prices easy and fast. All you've got to do is enter a specific amount you're interested in, and you'll get an accurate estimate immediately. Now, our calculator supports over 45 different cryptocurrencies and shows detailed price information gathered in real time. So whether you choose dollars, euros, or different cryptos, you'll get transparent estimates instantly. So here's how to use the Paybis price calculator. You go to the Paybis website, type in Paybis Bitcoin calculator in your internet's browser search bar, and you'll land on a clean page with two boxes. Choose from over 45 options like US dollars, euros, or British pounds, and Bitcoin or other cryptos. Type in, say, $100, and the calculator will immediately show you how much Bitcoin you'll get at the real-time rate. You can also do the reverse. Simply enter crypto to see its current value in your currency. So you can use the results as your baseline. The number is a live estimate, accurate to 8 decimal places. It'll show you a clear snapshot of the market rate with no need to sign up or log into the Paybis platform. Now, if you're ready to buy, there's even a buy now button right below the calculator, making the next step that much more convenient. For more tips and tools to make crypto easier, be sure to like this video and subscribe for future updates. The calendar isn't just for Bitcoin. You can check prices for a lot of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, for example. It's a simple way to compare assets without diving into complicated charts. And it's also a great planning tool. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can see exactly how much a small amount like $25 or even $5 gets you to help plan your investments comfortably. Plus, it works on both desktop and mobile, so you can check prices anytime, anywhere, making it easy to stay informed without stress. So the fear of overpaying for crypto is real, but it doesn't have to define your experience. With the free Paybis Crypto Calculator, you get clear, real-time price estimates across dozens of cryptocurrencies, helping you cut through the noise and make more confident decisions. It is a simple way to set a fair baseline and avoid navigating complex price charts.